Are you dreaming of starting a business but worried about high costs? Let's explore easy manufacturing ideas with high profit margins and low operating costs. These are perfect for aspiring entrepreneurs. First, there's candle making. Candles are always in demand. Startup costs are low, involving wax, wicks, and fragrances. Create a variety of candles, from scented soy to beeswax. Market them online, at craft fairs, or wholesale. Profit margins can be impressive if you source materials efficiently. Next, consider soap making. Similar to candle making, it requires affordable raw materials. Experiment with different recipes and designs. The demand for natural, handmade soaps is growing. Sell your soaps through online stores and farmers markets. Low operating costs and high demand make soap making attractive. Let's move to personalized gifts. Manufacturing custom items like engraved jewelry or printed mugs can be highly profitable. Invest in an engraving machine or a sublimation printer. Create unique, customized gifts. Operating costs are low, especially if home-based, with high profit margins. Market on social media. Another option is handmade cosmetics. This includes lip balms and lotions. The cosmetics market is booming. The initial investment is minimal, with ingredients like shea butter and essential oils. Sell through online stores or local markets. Focusing on quality boosts your profit margins. Consider manufacturing beaded jewelry. Beads, wires, clasps, and pliers are your basic supplies. Designing unique jewelry is fun and profitable. Sell at craft fairs or online stores. Low material costs and high demand make this financially attractive. Lastly, consider custom stickers and labels. With a printer and sticker paper, design and produce custom stickers. This has a low barrier to entry and high profit margins. Market your stickers online or to local businesses. These are just a few ideas. Research your market, develop a plan, and deliver quality to ensure success. Careful planning can pave the way to financial independence.